Hello friends, it's me Teddy, and today we're going to draw Doraemon. Let's get started. Begin by drawing a circle for its nose. Next, make two oval shapes extending from the nose for its eyes. Inside each eye, add two smaller circles for the eyeballs. Below the nose, draw a vertical line and extend two F-like shapes from it. Now, form its mouth with a big U shape below the F-like shapes. Add a tongue inside the mouth, resembling the letter M. Beneath the mouth, draw a straight line, followed by a circle and another straight line. From one end of the straight line, draw a C curve and encircle it with another bigger C curve to form its head. Now, add three diagonal lines on each side for its whiskers. Complete the leash by adding a T shape and a straight line. Moving on to its body, draw a curve starting from one side of its neck. Add an oval shape for its foot, and then an upside-down U shape. Repeat this to create the other foot and complete the body. Inside the body, draw a U shape and then a horizontal D shape to form its pocket. For its left arm, draw a curve and add a circle for the hand. Connect the circle to the body. Repeat the previous step on the other side to form its right arm. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this drawing, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more tutorials. Happy drawing!